Hi everyone, we're back in the Creative Nature Kitchen and I've got a special guest today, Polly, who's part of our team. Can we have a fun fact, Polly, about yourself?
So the best party trick is probably the worm, but I won't be showing you today, so stay tuned for more.
Okay, so today I'm going to be making a hemp slaw especially for Polly. This is something that you can make at home for lunch, for dinner, and we're going to be using our shelled hemp seeds, which are great on pretty much anything. Some people just eat them by the handful. So yeah, really easy to make. To start with, I am going to be getting 3 teaspoons of mayonnaise.
Yeah.
This is all vegan mayonnaise, but you could use normal or vegan, it's up to you. Right, 3 tablespoons of this. 3 tablespoons.
So we've got all the ingredients here. We'll be whipping it all up for you guys. So is this something you like having at lunch, maybe dinner?
Yeah, I mean, it's really good for lunch because it's quick and easy and you could probably use it for a couple of days as well. Good. So that's 3 teaspoons of that. Then we need 1 teaspoon of the white wine.
Yeah.
White wine vinegar. A tablespoon of white wine vinegar.
Chuck it in.
Which you can get from pretty much any supermarket. And then we've also got a tablespoon of olive oil. Some people use more olive oil, but you don't recommend.
Yeah, measurements don't have to be exact, but just once it's all together, it tastes delicious.
Okay, now
step.
So we have pre-cut some carrots here, and there's 3 carrots here. It looks a lot, but it really is not that much.
That's so elegant. So chuck all the carrots in.
Chuck all the carrots in.
Do you need me to chop the avocado?
Yes, yeah, if you start prepping that, that would be great. While Polly does that, we've also got some cabbage to go in. We've got 1 small cabbage sliced here, pretty easy to do. It won't take you too long, and just adding that all to the bowl. Remember, this feeds up to 4, so this is quite a big dish. You can make this and then keep it in your cupboard, keep it in your fridge, sorry, for later on.
So what is it you like so much about this dish? Is it the fact that it's allergy friendly?
Yeah, I love that it's allergy friendly, but it also, you can add things to it, so you don't just have to stick with the normal things. You could add goji berries to it, you could add different types of fruit, and it just helps sort of get different textures.
Yeah.
So I really like that, and then also the fact that it's super easy to make.
Literally just chucking it in the bowl, isn't it?
I'm going to borrow your knife.
Finally peel this avocado. Is it 1 avocado?
Yes, 1 whole avocado. We've also got some apples here that we're adding to ours this time. It is around 2 apples to go in.
2 apples. And an avocado. And then once we've added these, is it just mixing it all together?
Yes, it will be. We'll be just mixing it all together. And hopefully the avocado is nice and ripe, so it'll be all creamy.
Delicious.
So hopefully you will be following our recipes at home and using these YouTube videos to help you.
So this one's on the back of the shelled hemp seeds tub. So after you follow this, you can try making it at home. See what you think. Let us know on social media as well.
So I'm just mixing this all in together, just while Polly peels the avocado and chops it up.
So is it a whole avocado you need?
Yeah, the whole avocado. If it does seem a bit dry, you can always add in more mayo or more olive oil, a little bit more white wine vinegar, but we wouldn't suggest too much of that as that's quite a strong taste.
Are these all right to chuck in?
Do you want to cut them a little bit smaller?
Yeah. And then you just mix it all up.
And then we always love a pinch of our Himalayan crystal salt. Again, this is one of the best types of salt out there. It has 84 minerals in, so it's not just sodium, which is what we don't want it to have, like normal table salt. You'll have seen a few videos before that we've used Himalayan crystal salt, and you'll be able to get the benefits from there.
Yeah, super versatile, the salt. Can be be added as an exfoliant to the bath as well. Oh. So always good. Are these bits alright?
Yeah, they're good.
Should I chuck them in? Yeah, so this is adding a lot of healthy fats to the recipe. Great from the go.
Yeah, avocados have become a staple ingredient for most people now. So I think everyone's got them in there on their fruit bowls or cupboards.
Yeah, it was a couple of years ago, it definitely was a lot different. Whereas now pretty much everyone, well, they're in pretty much all vegan dishes. But they're a great addition. A lot of people love them on toast as well. Good avo on toast.
And it's really good if you can get a ripe one because that will make it more creamy. You can always blend it up as well before in a Vitamix and then put it into the coleslaw because that will make it more creamy too. Right. Literally that's all it is. So this is the base of the salad, and then we'll have our super special ingredient being added to it, which is our shelled hemp seeds, and that is what gives it that amazing sort of, people say nutty aroma. I'm actually allergic to nuts, so I wouldn't be able to tell you if it was. Okay, great. So with the shelled hemp, it's literally, I would just have a sprinkle of it on there. And then mix it all in together right at the moment.
So you can always add bits if it is quite dry, add a bit maybe of mayo, white wine vinegar, just to make it the perfect consistency for yourself. But I think that's pretty much
done.
creamy. Yeah.
So yeah.
Amazing. Should I give it a go?
Yeah, you're gonna give it a go. Just get you a fork.
Yeah. It looks delicious. Thank you. I'm gonna grab a bit of the avocado with that. Right, I'm going in. The apple is very nice. Delicious. I'm going to eat the whole thing. That's really good.
Well, thanks guys. Hope you enjoyed it. And let us know if you try it and what else you add.
Thank you.